Marcella, I hope you know what you're doing because we give Beverly the day off because you work so hard. Who they on the line? Make sure we get on the calls, you know. Who on the line now? Tyrese? And in my ball? Lord, him cry for everything lately. Put it through. I want this. Tyrese? How you cry for? Lord Jesus, you come like a cry, baby. What happened? Everything you cry. Yeah, come on. No? You just stress out? Well, you not check up Allah. So you should be strong, innit? Eh? You think Allah a ball? How would this plan me, Lord Jesus? Oh my God, Tyrese, what am I going to do with you? Then you get in conflict with Rock. Yes, sexy Rock. He's one of my man, you know. Mind yourself. Oh, never start nothing. Sound like you're a bit jealous. Because I'm giving man the part for the movie. What's wrong with you? Huh? Because you want to give him his own show or something like that. You don't even know it go really. But you don't have nothing good to say. That's why reaction I take your backside. No. What do you mean I say that, Miss Sam? Well, you know, me just tell you exactly what we did in the diaries. And behave yourself. You're lucky them drop all the charges. To do with your picnic. But we never believe none of that anyway. What's wrong with you, man? Take a vacation. You need a break. How about this? No, you are put over the net. But Will Smith and his wife give you $5 million to get back on your feet. That's good. A good people that. A good thing you have good people in your corner. Because that wouldn't have to up. Why? Tyrese, what? You see me, you like me? Listen about that. No, you just get married the other day. You know, man a dog, you know. Man a dog, we not trust no. Not even the piece of man when me have in my house right now. Me not trust him. Me tell you, Rasta. All I want a dog, every woman who no want. If you see a skirt and a broomstick, who no want grind it. I want this family. Tyrese, you have nothing to do. But you block my phone. Maybe see me have things to do. What? Listen, me have things to do, Tyrese. There you go again, crying. Bloody no, God, you help me, mate. How what Tyrese, me have to cough now, me sign off now. Come off on the phone. Yes, man. Alright, bye. Yeah, me talk to you next week, man, Tyrese, man. Alright, bye.